YouTube was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Techirism, where we talk real tech. Guys, in today's video, we got the Samsung Galaxy 24, alright, S24. We gonna unbox this. We gonna see if this is certified real tech. We're also going to do a day in the life featuring Techrific. Alright, we're gonna see if this is certified real tech. Stay tuned for that video, alright? But for now, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing and first impressions. Before we get into the video though, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here, alright? I know y'all excited for me to unbox the S24 in gray, alright? So what we gonna do is, we gonna pull the tabs right here. Should I start by the bottom? I got no nails, but hey, like this. Yes, sir. YouTube. And then the other one, like so. All right. And then let's just come on. YouTube. This is harder than I thought. hold on. We almost there. All right. Y'all ready? Shush. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? If it wants to focus. Yo. That looks nice. The S24 phone right here in gray. Sheesh. Look at that. Feels premium too. There you go, guys. Sheesh. This looks nice, doesn't it, Techrific?
Yeah, that's clean.
That looks clean.
I love the squared off design, but they're kind of imitating Apple with that.
But yo, guys, I actually like it. Whoa. So we were gonna get this in black or any other color, but I'm like, yo, gray looks clean. You know what I'm saying?
Premium.
Looks premium. It's like silver. You feel me? But yeah, anyways, let me pull it. Like so. Sheesh. YouTube. Damn. All right. So that's the phone right here. Let's just put this down. All right. With really good care. What else is in the box? So we got in here. Just pull this open. Like so. There you go. So you got the SIM card injector. You know what I'm saying? Because we in Canada. The manual. The Samsung typical manual. Put that to the side. And then Type-C. The Type-C charging right here. Typical stuff. SIM ejector. And that's about it. Alright. So this is the S24 in 128 gigabytes, I believe. Right? So this is how it looks like, you know what I'm saying? This is just a quick unboxing, you feel me? I don't have much to say about this one. This is a marble gray, you feel me? So that's how it looks like. YouTube, very clean, alright? You got a test, right? Fits perfectly good, like it's supposed to. Now let's just power it on. Oh yeah, before, obviously, we gotta look at what's on the phone, obviously. So this is the power button. This is the volume rocker up and down. The 3 cameras, flash. Okay. Type-C. And then this is for the SIM injector right here. And then the microphone right here. Like so. Alright. So let's power it on. You feel me? Alright, there you go. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. You feel me, YouTube? So yeah, it's just doing its thing. Let's see about the UI. What's going on with the UI? You feel me? Powered by Android. And there you go. So this is the UI. Get started. Agree to all. Agree. Skip. You just skip all this. Not now. Not now. Yo, we gotta go film the day in the life, so we'll be right back. And I'll put in a SIM in this thing, and then we can check out the UI. Alright, so we're able to put in the SIM card on the S23. So let's just open it up. And as you can see, typical, Android UI, Samsung One UI. Nothing really crazy about it. We can check the settings if you guys want to see the settings. I already enabled developer options because, I like to make my phone snappy, you feel me? But yeah, so we go about the phone, software information, One UI 6.1. That's the latest UI, I believe. And then Android version 14. And then if you double tap on it, as you can see, Android 14 is running on the phone. So yeah, that's basically it. There's not much to it. We did test the camera and the video on 4K 60 and 30. So yeah, I'm gonna add some clips into this video, and then we can, you guys can kind of be the judge. Tech realism. Yes, sir.
When entering a payment zone.
So we in the train, you feel me? Yeah.
My uncle did when we were in Calgary. Like I was growing up as a kid.
Yeah.
The thing with the sky shoes and all that, they're always packed.
Yeah.
I'm too tall.
Oh shoot, yo. Alright.
Where is this guy going? Not stepping out the station.
Yo.
Alright guys, the game just finished. What was the score? They lost.